What are you selling?
All stuff. This.
Let's see. I got my phone back. I had to buy my phone back.
Yeah.
We have a potty chair. Hospital grade hand sanitizing foam. 2 remotes. Sister's Rapunzel costume. We have a stool. We have a stroller. We have a naked Rapunzel doll. We have movies, coloring books. This is the checkout counter.
I'm taking all my stuff out.
We have a mop and a broom. My cross, sister's hula hoop. Some coasters. Let's see what else is down here. Sister's cup. Blanket, extension cord, more puzzles.
And this?
Yep. I think it's going to cost me a lot of money to get my house back.
Huh?
I'm going to need all of this stuff. Oh my gosh, and my headphones. What? What's your store called?
Pika Gata Gota.
What language is that?
Chuditaka.
Are you speaking Spanish?
Yeah.
Oh. Why do you always speak Spanish?
Now my store called Pizza Cougar.
Pizza Cougar?
Yep.
Interesting. Alright, say bye.
Why?
Say my store's closing.
My store's not closing.
Oh, come on. Do you know what time it is?
Yeah.
It's 1 o'clock in the morning.
Why?
Because you don't go to bed. Alright, say goodnight. My store's closing.
Yeah.
Look.
I'm trying to write something down.
Okay, well look first and say goodnight. My store's closing.
Good night, my store's closing.
Say peace out.
Peace out.